Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of our vlog. And for today's video, sasabihin na namin sa inyo ang totoo. Bakit nga ba kami lumipat dito sa Alexandria, Virginia from Fargo, North Dakota? Stay tuned! Yes guys! Pasensya na kayo, medyo maingay. Kasi malapit kami sa vent ng AC kasi medyo mainit na dito sa Alexandria. And of course, super active ng nature nila dito at ang daming tutubi. So, ang daming mga huni-huni ng ibon at saka ng mga insects. So, bear with me. So, the topmost reason bakit kami umalis ng Fargo, North Dakota is because of the weather. Magti 3 years na kami dapat ngayong November sa Fargo. Pero talagang I was thinking of if makakuha ako ng opportunity to work outside Fargo, I will grab it. Kasi as much as I love the city, hindi talaga kaya ng katawan ko ang winter doon kasi na-notice ko na every January na lang nagkakasakit ako. Tapos just recently nagkasakit din si Zion on his birthday pa. And it's because of the weather. So hindi talaga kaya. And kahit pa gano'n ka-peaceful yung lugar at kaganda, kung yung health mo na yung nagsasuffer, I think it's about time to leave Fargo since talagang ang harsh ng weather doon. So it's extremes. Kapag winter talaga, harsh winter. Although may araw naman, pero winter pa rin. Pero malamig pa rin, as in it's biting cold. Tapos pag summer naman, super duper init din na talagang it pierces your skin. And pag sa ibang places spring na, winter pa rin sa Fargo. Sa ibang places fall pa, doon winter na. Parang more than half of the year is winter. Yun yung sad part doon. So that's my number one reason why I left Fargo, North Dakota. The second one is, aminin na natin, it's because of the salary. Nakakabuhay naman siya ng family of 3. But, I think with the amount of work that we do, parang hindi compensated well. And, it's a good start for those coming from the Philippines or from those who are just migrating. Fargo, North Dakota is a good start. And also, if you're planning to retire, it's a good place for retirement. Okay? Pero para sa mga tao na gusto pang makaipon, gusto pang makavisit ng ibang places, wants to travel, hindi talaga kaya. I mean, kailangan ng mas magandang salary. And, okay, sa Fargo, if you're living just in Fargo, okay lang yung salary na yun. But if you wanted to travel to, let's say, Disneyland, if you're going out of state 2 or 3 times per year, hindi kaya. Airfare pa lang, talo ka na, girl. So, yeah. And, ayun nga, kapag uuwi ka ng Pilipinas, you will spend 28 to 35 hours of your time flying. Tapos, kailangan 3 stops kasi malayo ang Fargo. Hindi pwede yung 2 stops lang. Na walang flight na Manila-Fargo. Walang ganon. Laging may another city muna like Chicago or DC or LA bago ka mag Fargo. So, that's sad. Um, it's not about the workmates. Hindi ako umalis because of my workmates. I love my workmates. They are super helpful. They're always there when you need them. They always ask if we need help. And kahit hindi circulator, kahit hindi charge nurse, kahit staff nurse din, and you see them struggling, pero they still have time to ask you if you need help. O, di ba? Ang amazing. And coming from the Middle East na ang culture is to be independent, to do everything on your own as much as you can, not to bother anyone and to burden anyone, talagang masyashock ka na parang, bakit ganito sila? Bakit sila lagi nagtatanong if we need help? Parang gano'n. So, it's sad that I'm leaving Fargo, and at the same time, I'm leaving the hospital that I'm working for and leaving my wonderful workmates. Pero I have to really move forward and find another place na mas mag-grow kami as a person and as a family. Discrimination, it's not really about discrimination because in my 2.5 years in Fargo, wala talaga akong na-feel na direct discrimination. Like, yung mga nakikita natin na video sa YouTube or sa Reels na you're an Asian, I hate you, or anything na bastos or anything na nakaka-discriminate. Wala akong experience na ganon. Kaya naman napakagandang mag-start as an expat doon kasi nga wala talagang discrimination. I mean, yeah, maybe you can feel it sa mga parents kasi siguro hindi ko din sila masisi. Siguro ang ibang parents gusto nila ng Amerikanang or puti ang mag-handle sa baby nila, especially if sick talaga yung baby nila, which I understand, or end of life. Pero in general, wala talagang discrimination from them. So it's not the reason. It's not the reason why we left Fargo. And some of you might think, oh, umalis yan because of maybe the crime rate. No, guys. In my 2.5 years, I can definitely say na parang crime na nangyari sa kakilala ko or sa kakilala ng kakilala ko, maybe lang, parang ninakawan siya ng laptop, nabuksan yung window niya, nanakaw yung laptop niya kasi wala siya sa bahay. Yung isang friend ko naman, yung garage, somebody opened it kasi wala din siya sa bahay. Maybe natiktikan sila na wala sila sa bahay, that's why their things were lost or stolen. So, sa akin directly wala talagang nangyari. Sa akin directly wala namang ganong nangyari. And I can say na Fargo is a safe place to start. Especially kung takot pa kayo na mag-explore sa Amerika. And of course, yung barilan sa may malayo naman sa bahay namin pero nagkabarilan din doon, but it's because of a guy and police officer na yung guy supposedly mangbobomba siya kasi parang Fargo Fair yun eh, it's summer and may event sa downtown Fargo, and buti na lang napigilan ng mga officers na gawin niya yung gusto niyang gawin. So but not really the crime rate. And friends and families, siguro isa sa mga reason din bakit kami lumipat dito sa Alexandria, Virginia is because mas mapapalapit kami sa friends and families na rin. My college friend, college barkada, Diane, is living here, and I felt like, yeah, why not? Lipat tayo doon kasi para naman, mapalapit din ako doon sa friend ko. And I felt like, kung na-happy siya doon, di ba mahahappy din kami, di ba? And yun nga sinabi ko, it has an international airport. So it means, if mag-aaya kami ng friends and relatives or family sa Pilipinas to come here in the US, so much easier na yung magiging travel nila. I think they can do 20 to 25 hours of flight na lang versus our 35 hours flying. And of course, I'm hoping that I can also bring my mother here and relatives ni Matt para ayun, we can invite people here sa US and hopefully makasama sila, lalo-lalo na yung mudra ko, makasama siya. And honestly, yun nga, may mag-alaga kay Zion para makapag full-time job na rin si Matt. Diba? So, actually, to sum this up, actually, we honestly love Fargo, North Dakota. Even my husband na hindi nurse, na dependent ko, nagkaroon ng maraming friends. Actually, mas marami pa siyang friends versus me, na ang friends ko lang mga taga-NICU. Ang asawa ko, so sa mga nurses na natatakot na dalhin yung mga asawa nila dahil baka malungkot, huwag kayong mag-alala. Kung ang destination nyo is Fargo, North Dakota, definitely magkakaroon kayo ng maraming friends doon. There's a group there, Barangay Fargo. There's also Philamindac, which is an association for Filipinos na nasa Fargo Moorhead. And natutuwa lang ako kasi as a wife, maraming nagmahal talaga sa asawa ko doon. Marami siya naging friends turned families. So, kaya nga medyo mahirap din para sa kanya yung move namin coming here, malayo sa kanila. It's because he has formed a lot of friendships there. So, wag kayong matakot na dalhin yung mga dependents nyo because they will definitely find people there to support them. At lagi kong sinasabi, I'm always thankful to Fargo, North Dakota, to Sanford for realizing our American dream na makarating nga dito, makapag-work. Kung okay lang sana yung weather doon at kung okay lang din sana yung rate, magsistay talaga kami. As I've said, napakaganda niyang lugar for retirement. But we're not ready for that yet. So, ayun, sa mga naghahanap ng place to do their retirement, to enjoy life, go to Fargo. Sa mga nasa Pilipinas pa and looking for placement, kung may mag-offer sa inyo ng Fargo, North Dakota or kahit saan sa North Dakota, grab it. That's the best place to start. Yun lamang po mga Kunars. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you have found this video interesting. And samahan nyo kami ulit sa next vlog namin. Bye!